Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 4 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. One of those toggles should be a screen recorder. For me, it is located right over here. This is the default location of these toggles, at least I think it is. It should be added by default, so if you don't see it in the same place, you could swipe to the left and see additional pages. And once you see the toggle, simply press on it. It will bring up a window letting you choose what kind of sound you will be recording. So we have none, media, and media and mic. Now with the last option, I would recommend using headphones for that, as the way it would record it, it would, for instance, the media, which is the sound that the device makes, would be recorded in the on the software side, not actually like physically when it's. So technically, for instance, your speakers could be broken and it's still going to record the sound, right? But what happens if when you record media and mic, it's going to record that internally, the media, and then once it comes out through speakers, the microphone will pick it up for the second time, creating an unwanted echo effect. So like I said, I would recommend using headphones for anyone who's looking for the last option. Now below that we have show taps and touches, which records a semi-transparent gray dot on the screen wherever you are interacting with the display, whether that be tapping or swiping. Anyway, from here we're going to select start recording. Now I just paused it. So in here we have a couple options as well. I wanted to open up an application, but it looks like Samsung decided to not ship their device with Netflix here. But I will still talk about what I wanted to showcase. But before I do so, let's talk about the toggles right here. So we have pencil, which allows you to draw on the screen. Now this can be used also while recording, so you don't need to pause it like I did. I just didn't want to make the video recording be just too long once I'm playing it back. Then besides that, we have an arrow, which just shows you an arrow, nothing special, and camera enables the front-facing camera right here. So in any case, I'm going to stop this at like 13 seconds. So there we go. Once it gets saved, you can find your screen recording in your gallery application, and you can see it's right here at the front. So it is playing back, and you can also see that semi-transparent gray dot, this one, the one that you can see when I'm just hovering over with the pencil, that is only because of the little pen right here, while the semi-transparent gray dot also applies to your finger. So in any case, you just seen the recording right here. Now I did want to point out the Netflix kind of scenario, which isn't present here, but most devices do come with it. That's I was looking for it. So Netflix is one of the applications, not the only one, that has the ability to block screen recorders and screenshots. Now this feature is designed to basically give the user of the device a security. So as an example, if for instance you use bank application and you have some kind of malware that is just trying to see what you're typing on the screen, like your pins and stuff like that, obviously you can imagine how that would be a risk security kind of thing. So with the feature of Android blocking any kind of screen pinning, screen recording, and some applications like bank application, that said malware wouldn't be able to see anything, just a black screen. Now, the reason I'm pointing that out is because Netflix, in my opinion, is kind of overstepping right here, though it's not included in this device, so I guess that's fine. But basically what happens is, even if you don't log into the Netflix, don't agree to any kind of terms of service, it's automatically going to block the screen recorder without your permission. And the problem is, as a user, you don't have any control over that. Once an application decides to implement this feature, that's it. You cannot do anything about it, as far as I know. So obviously, you can imagine how effing annoying that can be for applications that you have given zero permission to do anything on your device outside of just installing them. Or furthermore, some devices come with it, therefore you didn't even install it yourself. It came with your device and it's screwing around without any kind of permission from you to do so. So I just wanted to point that out. If you ever encounter a fully black screen on your recording, specifically some kind of application that you opened, then just know that that application has had this kind of security feature implemented and you just cannot record it. But anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.